we have here is a John Deere 1.5 horsepower spark plug engine, serial number 245996, manufactured in 1925. It does not have the original battery box. It does have the original tank cover, but someone has made an alteration on the tank cover and put a vent on the top. Other than that, it's in its original condition from 1925. You'll see that it's on a Waterloo cart, which is John Deere specifically.